This device can save you a ton of money. This is a surge protector for your HVAC system. Why would you want that? In our area, we have over 2,000 lightning strikes per year. They do hit houses, they do destroy lots of appliances. This protects your most expensive appliance. Most of us have surge protectors throughout the house. We plug our computers into them, but the HVAC system replacement cost could be anywhere from $8,000 to $15,000. And this little device costs a couple $100 and it can save you a lot of money. Now, what it is it plugs right into the power for the HVAC system. And if there's a power surge or a lightning strike, this will protect the system. You can always go outside. There's a little green indicator light that'll show you that the unit is working. And if you ever go out there and that light is out, congratulations, this thing more than likely saved you thousands of dollars. I encourage everyone to have one of these surge protectors. I have them on my house. Whenever we install a unit, we like to encourage people to install these. It doesn't cost much, especially for what it's protecting. An HVAC surge protector, these surge protectors are amazing for protecting your property.